Namaste all of you and very good afternoon. And today we are going to discuss about constitutional bodies of polity segment, and here we will be having so many constitutional bodies like Finance Commission and CAG, etc. Okay, let's start. We will have some brief introduction about what is constitutional body constitutes. Like constitutional bodies, any body created under any of the provision of the Indian Constitution. If any body has been created through provision of Constitution, that will termed as constitutional body. So that will require provision of Constitution to constitute that bodies. And what is bodies? Election Commission Article 324. Article 324 covers for election commission bodies. And for UPSC, Article 315 to 323. And Finance Commission, Article 280. So, for Election Commission, 324 article, and for UPSC, Union Public Service Commission, Article 315 to 323, and for Finance Commission, Article 280. And for CAG, Article 148 to 151, and power is directed from Constitution. These all constitutional body had been conferred power from Constitution, and we can amend and make new constitutional bodies as well through Constitutional Amendment Act Article 368 for this article. So Article 368 for amendment. So how we can amend this constitutional body? Through Article 368. Now we will proceed towards particular constitutional bodies like Finance Commission. So Finance Commission, we have brief introduction of Finance Commission. This is a constitutional body, and Article 280 covers Finance Commission and provide for Finance Commission as a quasi-judicial body. Article 280 says that Finance Commission is a quasi-judicial body. And what is quasi-judicial body? Try to find out. It is constituted by President. This is constitutional body, so that will be constituted by President. And every 5th year and earlier time as he consider necessary. This can be constituted as before as well of 5 years term, which had been prescribed. Before that, this can be also constituted by President as per requirement of the situation. So what are the composition of this Finance Commission? So appointed by President, hold office period as specified by President, eligible for reappointment. They can be appointed once again and twice, thrice, means they can be reappointed. And who are the members of this Finance Commission? 1 chairman, 4 others member. Now let's move towards what are the qualification of Finance Commission. Parliament had specified qualification of chairman and members of the Constitution. Another is chairman should be person having experience in public affairs. Chairman must have experience of public affairs. And 4 others members qualification would require means should be selected from amongst the following, like a number, like a judge of high court or one qualified to be appointed as one. B, a person who has a specialized knowledge of finance and accounts of government. That person must have a specialized knowledge of finance and accounts of government. C, a person who has wide experience in financial matter. That person must have wide experience in financial matters in an administration as well. D, a person who has a special knowledge of economics. That person must have economic knowledge as well for handling this finance commission. So these all were qualification which is required for becoming member of this finance commission. Now let's move ahead. Functions of finance commission. What are the functions of finance commission? Let's find out. A, like make recommendation to President of India of like following matters. Let's discuss. Distribution of taxes to be shared between a state and center. Means tax distribution between center and a state will be determined by this finance commission. And the principle that should govern the right in aid to the state by the center. The principle that should govern the grant in aid to the state by center out of consolidated fund of India. Means what are the principles that will govern grants, what proportion of grants and aids will be given to a state by centers. That will be through out of consolidated fund of India. And let's move ahead. Measures needed to augment consolidated fund of India. Augment means increasing or like enhancement. Supplement resources of panchayat and municipalities in a state on basis of recommendation made by a state finance commission. So how supplement resources of panchayat will be made? That will be decided on the recommendation of a state finance commission. Any other matter referred to it by president in interest of sound finance. Any matter can be referred to it by president in interest of sound finance. Note, commission submit its report to president. Where commission will be submitting its report to president? He lays it before House of Parliament. He lays it before both House of Parliament. It is nowhere laid down in Constitution that recommendation of commission shall be binding upon Government of India. Means this is recommendatory in nature, not mandatory in nature. Means that recommendation will be like optional. They can go for or not as per their convenience of Government of India. So now we will move ahead towards like impact of planning commission or Niti Aayog on finance commission. Finance commission as the balancing wheel of fiscal federalism in India. Finance commission can be considered as balancing wheel of fiscal federalism in India. And second, role of the center. A state fiscal relation has been undermined by the emergence of planning commission, Niti Aayog. Means due to arrival of Niti Aayog, like fiscal relation has been undermined of center state. Now in Article 275, to grant in ad revenues of a state is not confined to revenue expenditure only. Not only confined to revenue expenditure only. While the principle governing the distribution of the plan grants will be set up by Finance Commission. Distribution of plan grants will be set out by the Finance Commission. The application of this principle from year to year will be left to Niti Aayog and the government. Like the application of this principle from year to year will be left to the Niti Aayog and government. So this principle can be applied by Niti Aayog and Government of India as well. This is left on them. 15th Finance Commission report. Most recent World Constitution in 2017. Chaired by N.K. Singh Committee. Former Governor of RBI. He was former Governor of RBI and from period 20 to 25. Like now we have covered Finance Commission. Thank you very much.